A system is two equations, two variables to solve for, so no more waiting. Let's find x and y. You can try graph substitute eliminating, or I guess you could check with a method called guess and check, but that would take all day and nobody wants that. See, what the solution is the answer of which x and y fits into both equations. On a graph you can see this by the spot where the two lines cross. Use x and y as coordinates so you don't get lost. Gotta know where you're going, gotta know what you're doing. Solving systems, that's what we're doing. There's two numbers missing, what's the solution? Solving systems, that's what we're doing. There's two numbers missing, what's the solution? Solving systems, that's what we're doing. There's two numbers missing, what's the solution? Solving systems, that's what we're doing. There's two numbers missing, what's the solution? To solve systems by graphing, graph both equations in slope-intercept form. Remember, the last number in the equation is the b or. Y-intercept, let me tell you what it's for. Find that number on the up and down line that looks like a cliff, also known as the y-axis. The next number that you use is the number next to the x. Let's turn it into a fraction. That's the slope, that's the end. Use it up or down and to the right. To find your next point, to find your line, take all the steps and do them twice. Now the two equations are two lines. Find where they intersect. The solution is the x and y. Solving systems, that's what we're doing. There's two numbers missing, what's the solution?
Systems, that's what we're doing. There's two numbers missing, what's the solution?
Solving systems, that's what we're doing. There's two numbers missing, what's the solution?
Solving systems, that's what we're doing. There's two numbers missing, what's the solution?
Solving systems by substitution is another way to find your solution. When a variable is isolated on one side of an equation, take what it equals and use that to replace it. It's like you find the variable and erase it. Use a parenthesis, fill in with what it is, which is the expression that it equaled. The next step is stuff we've done before. It's like a prequel. Distribute, combine opposite operations to find what one variable equals. Then substitute that value back into an original equation. That's how you find the other variable, and now you plug x and y back into an equation to check that you got the correct solution. Solving systems, that's what we're doing. There's two numbers missing, what's the solution? Solving systems, that's what we're doing. There's two numbers missing, what's the solution? Solving systems, that's what we're doing. There's two numbers missing, what's the solution? Solving systems, that's what we're doing. There's two numbers missing, what's the solution? So far, we've seen graphing and substituting. Graph when the system is in slope-intercept form, meaning both equations have y equals mx plus b. Or you might substitute when you only have one variable isolated y or x. Try the next method. Eliminating is what you use when x and y are on the same side. Then choose this method. Be the eliminator. Multiply if you have to, create an opposite pair. Add the equations, solve for a variable, then we will solve for the other. Check answer, right solution, then do another.
Solving systems, that's what we're doing. There's two numbers missing, what's the solution?
Solving systems, that's what we're doing. There's two numbers missing, what's the solution?
Solving systems, that's what we're doing. There's two numbers missing, what's the solution?
Special cases are what you get when substituting or eliminating, and you eliminate these variables. No solution is when you're left with an equation that is never true. On a graph, the slopes are the same, so when you try to find where the lines cross, you never do. So that's no solutions. But when you graph two lines and realize that they're exactly the same, infinite solutions is the name. You can also see that when substituting or eliminating, and all you're left with is a number equal to itself. Well, this is the end of solving systems, that's what we're doing. There's two numbers missing, what's the solution? Solving systems, that's what we're doing. There's two numbers missing, what's the solution? Solving systems, that's what we're doing. There's two numbers missing, what's the solution? Solving systems, that's what we're doing. There's two numbers missing, what's the solution?